Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Dr. KS Academy. I am engineer Muhammad Tayyib Ejaz. Today we will learn about how to open a new project in Primavera, what is calendar in Primavera P6, what are different types of calendar, and how to assign calendar to the project. So open the software. To add a new project in Primavera, go to File menu, then click on New. Now select EPS by clicking on three dots and drag down to the bottom. In previous lecture, we will make our own EPS structure. Let's suppose we are assigning this project to supervision department. Click on supervision and click on this plus icon. Click on next. What is the ID of this project? Let's give it name BD1 and project name is baseline distance schedule for single story building. Click next. What is project plan start date? Let's suppose this is 17th September 2024. Must finish by, let's do not enter any date in it. Click next. Who is responsible manager? In OBS, we will discuss about organizational breakdown structure. So we will assign this project to project engineer. Click on project engineer, then click on this plus icon, click next. What is the, just click standard rates here and click next and click on finish. So our Neo project has been added. You can also add a project by just simply clicking on this icon, same process. Also you can add project by simply clicking on this icon, plus icon, and in the same way the new project will be added to the Primavera. Now click on this and right click and click on open project. So our new project has been added to the Primavera P6. So what is calendar in Primavera P6? Basically in every country, in every organization, there is a timetable of working, on which day there is holiday, either Friday, Saturday or Sunday. What is office work timing, 8 to 4 p.m., 8 to 5 p.m., break time 1 to 2 p.m. So how you will tell your software? So by just adding a calendar in the project, you will define working days, non-working days, which day is holiday. So it will automatically schedule your project according to that calendar. So what are different types of calendar in Primavera P6? First of all, global calendar, then we have a project calendar and a resource calendar. No need to memorize each and everything, they are just correlated. In global calendar, if you make a global calendar, then you can assign it to all the project which you have. First, for example, you are working on a 10 or 15 project, then you make one calendar and then assign to all the project. In project calendar, this is specifically for one project, means that you are working on such a project which is different from other project. So and its time table is different, or its work schedule is different, office timing is different. So you make a project calendar simply for that particular project. Also we have a resource calendar, means that sometimes we don't have resources available all the time. We have resources for a shorter period of time, so we make a resource calendar that when this resource is available to us, so that we can use this resource in our project. So let's discuss how to add calendar in the Primavera by just clicking on Enterprise, go to Calendars. Here the three types of calendar: global calendar, resource calendar, and project calendar. We just make a project calendar and make it global by simply clicking on project, then click on add button, and just click any of these. Just for references, just for copy paste, we just add it and call it as building, sorry, calendar for building. Click on modify. We will modify it by our own organization. Click on total work hours per day and click on work weeks. Let's suppose in this organizational Friday is holiday. Let's suppose we have holiday on Sunday. So we will write 0 in Sunday, means that 0 is holiday, Sunday is holiday. So we will write 8 in Friday, means that we will work on Friday. So it's simply add Sunday as a holiday. Also, you can click on detail work hours per day and click on work week. Let's suppose Sunday is off, Monday you will work from 8 to 4 p.m. from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. For example, you have Friday, and in Friday from 12 to 2 p.m. we have prayer time. So by simply clicking on this and click on non-work, also click on this and click on non-work and non-work. Now the P6 software will read it that on Friday from 12 to 2 p.m. there is no work in organization. So it will schedule your project in such a way that it will align with the project team working hours. Click on OK and click on OK. So to assign calendar to the project, click on to global, or to make this project make this calendar to global by simply clicking on global calendar. To global, yes, click on. Now how to assign this calendar to the project. Now click on project, click on baseline schedule for single story building, click on default window and click on 3 dots and calendar for building. Click on this plus icon. Now the calendar has been added to this project. If you didn't find this default window, right click and customize project detail. Here you will find this window. By simply clicking on this icon and this one, it will edit. Click on OK. In this way you can assign calendar to the project.